So excited to try out this new dog seat car cover. It comes with these anchor straps that you easily slide under the seat, as well as these buckle straps that go around each headrest, which gives great coverage to the whole row. I love how easy this is to install, and it's so great. It has a rubber backing on the bottom so it doesn't slide around, which is great, and it even has these sides that can zip up and become walls, as well as a strap that you thread through the coat hanger, protecting the doors and all the sides from hair, scratching, or dirt, or whatever your dog may have on them. Each corner has a zipper that you can choose to zip up or leave down. My dog always loves going on adventures, and getting in the car is his favorite, means he can come with us. So he was so excited to try out this dog cover. I love that it contains him without making him feel trapped. He's super comfortable in it. And it keeps my car clean, which is fabulous. And like I said, each corner has a zipper so you can fully enclose them. It also has a harness if you choose to buckle your dog to a seat. You could do that as well so that they're nice and secure. He's so excited to go for a car ride, and of course he can't go anywhere without bringing a toy, making this pocket super great and convenient. I can store all of his nice toys in it. Definitely recommend.